How to log and hide WhatsApp chats. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After checking on that, make sure that you have an updated version of WhatsApp application, for which you need to just launch the Google Play Store and then check on the WhatsApp application. As you do that, here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So we're going to tap on open. As we tap on open, simply tap on any of the chats over here and then make a long press on any chat that you'd want to lock over here. So let me do with one of these and then tap on the three dotted lines, and here you can see the option of lock chat. So just tap on lock chat, and as you do that, this will keep your chat locked and hidden. So you can just use your face or your fingerprint lock over here to read on the notification. So just tap and continue, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.